If you regularly use an air compressor and don't have a decent air hose reel yet, you are definitely missing out on something. There are many products available to choose air hose reels, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best air hose reels from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Giraffe Retractable Air Hose Reel. The Giraffe TA15B is a retractable air hose reel that uses a 502 long hybrid polymer air hose, good enough to withstand up to 300 psi. The high-quality air hose is coiled up in a robust steel hose reel, housing a fully enclosed spring motor. Such a setup prevents dust and dirt from entering, and thus damaging the unit, significantly increasing durability. And to make sure it looks good for as long as it lasts, the frame is powder-coated to keep corrosion and surface rust at bay. The bright orange hose is also a neat addition, providing optimum visibility even in low-lit conditions. You might need to clean it regularly, so it stays that way, though. What we like about it: rugged and heavy-duty steel frame. 3-point adjustment for guide arm. Extremely easy to install. Budget option. Perfect for novice mechanics. 2-part locking feature. 2 years manufacturer's limited warranty. What don't we like about it? Not for heavy-duty use. Number 2. Goodyear L815153G Air Hose Reel Retractable. The American brand also manufactures high-quality pneumatic accessories, and the L815153G air hose reel proves just that. It is another retractable model that uses your standard 3/8 50 long commercial SBR rubber air hose rated to work efficiently at air pressures up to 300 psi. That's pretty much a standard in the industry, so most manufacturers do. Still, Goodyear knows a thing or two about rubber, so you know it went for a highly durable rubber polymer hose, resistant to severe temperatures, oil, water, and heat. What we like about it: corrosion-resistant powder coating finish. High value for money. Highly durable air hose. Air hose resistant to oil, water, dust, abrasion, and extreme weather conditions. Locking mechanism works incredibly well. Adjustable guide arm for optimum support. Can be used with water and other water-based fluids. What don't we like about it? None. When it works, it works. Number 3. Realworks Air Compressor Hose Reel. The Realworks L200-1303A is a tad bit different from the models we have seen so far. While other air hose reels in the list are auto-retracting, this is a manual air hose reel operated using the attached hand crank lever. Not much to say here, it's pretty straightforward. Simply pull on the hose to get the required hose length, and then use the spring-loaded locking pin to lock the reel in place. Once your task is complete, unlock the pin and use the lever to retract the air hose. As simple as it sounds. The Realworks air hose reel is perfect for those who already have an air hose and only need a new reel drum. What we like about it: sturdy and long-lasting reel body. Easy-to-use locking pin mechanism. Attractive shiny black finish. Corrosion-resistant powder coating. Leak-proof solid brass swivel fittings. High value for money. What don't we like about it? Does not come with an air hose, but that might be a pro depending on personal preference. Number 4. Goodyear 28,287,303G Air Hose Reel Retractable. The Goodyear makes all other air hose reels look futile in comparison. It is a quad-pod retractable air hose reel capable of accommodating a 3/8 diameter air hose, measuring a whopping 100 in length. To put this into perspective, this air hose is slightly longer than the distance between 2 baseball bases. All this extra length allows you to access areas beyond your immediate surroundings, effectively doubling your workable radius compared to previous models. Storing this massive air hose falls into the hands of a construction-grade steel pod. What we like about it: innovative quad pod design. Rubber feet for optimum traction. Extra long air hose. Suitable for air and water-based fluids. Solid brass swivel joints prevent leaks. Clever ratcheting mechanism. What don't we like about it? Might be a bit much for weekendiers. Number 5. Flexzilla Retractable Enclosed Plastic Air Hose Reel. The Flexzilla L8250FZ is another excellent option in the budget category. It is quite similar to the previous model apart from one significant difference: the Flexzilla offers a fully enclosed reel body instead of just a spring, making it suitable even for outdoor use. The UV-stabilized polypropylene outer enclosure will keep the hose reel safe from the exterior elements. Moreover, this comes with Flexzilla 3/8, 50 long premium hybrid air hose designed to provide optimum flexibility at all times. What we like about it? Fully enclosed reel protects from outside elements. Swivel mounting bracket for added convenience. Suitable for outdoor use. Neon green air hose for optimum visibility. Flexible and weather-resistant air hose. 2 years manufacturer's limited warranty. What don't we like about it? The plastic construction may not be as strong as steel. No guide arm adjustment feature. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.